Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the top 5 ladies? In no particular order is contestant number 6, Halima Horton, sponsored by Bird Shack Fried Chicken.
Wow, congratulations to you, my darling. All you need to do is to reach into this bowl, pull out your question, have a look at it. Let me read it for the audience. Her question is, how do you define success?
Good evening, everyone. Success isn't always about the big things. It's sometimes about the small things too. And being here on this stage is me succeeding. Whenever I have put out a goal for myself and I have achieved it, that means I have succeeded. Whenever you put a goal for yourself and you have succeeded, then that is, you know you have succeeded. Thank you.
Our second top 5 finalist is contestant number 14, Asia Wright, sponsored by Knutsford Express Services.
Congratulations, Asia. The same for you. Dip in, read your question, and let me have a look at it to read it to the audience. Your question reads, what does confidence mean to you?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Confidence, to me, means self-love, bold self-expression, and a lot of self-sufficiency. Being confident doesn't only mean being beautiful. It means being able to show up for yourself in times when you don't feel pretty. It means being able to walk out and inspire others in times when you're not feeling at your best. That, to me, is confidence. Thank you.
Asia Wright.
Ladies and gentlemen, also making the top 5 is the contestant who wears the sash, Miss Juergens. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 18, Brianna Foster.
Congratulations, Brianna. There is the bowl with the questions. Have a look at it. Let me have a read of it. Here we go. How would you describe the Jamaican spirit with someone who's never visited the country?
Jamaica's spirit is rooted and grounded in vibrancy. We are a cultural people, we are a proud people, and we are amazing in everything we do. Our culture, our sports, our finances, everything Jamaica puts its mind to, we achieve it. And as I stand here today, a proud Jamaican, full of pride, full of love.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, just 2 places remain. Making it to the top 5 is contestant number 5, Terrian Wilson, sponsored by DB Tech Network Solutions.
Hi, Terrian. Dip in, take your question. Let's read it for the audience. How do you handle criticism or failure?
Interesting question. How do I handle criticism? By standing in who I am. Because someone who criticizes me may not know me as well as I know myself. So I stand and I represent my brand. And how I handle failure is by getting back up. Because I know that every dirt thrown on me is dirt I can stand on. So I continue to rise, I continue to grow, and I continue to become the woman I intend to be. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, only one space remains. Our final top 5 finalists. Where's the sash? Ms. Reggae Jamaica Village. She is contestant number 9, Navia Allen.
Hi, Navia. Please go ahead. Take your question. Have a look at it. Your question reads, if you could change one global issue affecting women, what would it be and why?
I'm very grateful that you asked that question. If I were to have the ability to change one global issues for women all over, same as myself, I would attack the issue of gender-based violence. I believe that gender-based violence is a cruel, inhumane act against women, and I believe that it holds back a lot of your young women and from reaching our full potential. If we have the proper abilities, doors open, respect given, and the same level of patriarchy and hierarchy, we women will have equality. And through that is tackling gender-based violence. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Navia. Ladies and gentlemen, your top 5. Have you seen your winner?